Hey, welcome back, everybody. I'm working on Sierra's cutting board for Christmas, so this video will come after Christmas. Part of Sierra's video after Christmas. So I set up this juice. It's a Rocco juice cutting group, but I don't have all the pieces. So I made some modifications with some blocks to hold it, and then I bought a brand new bit, and I'm gonna do one pass. Can't even hardly see that. Very lightly around. Go a little deeper and then a little deeper. I wasn't planning on doing a video on this, but I think it'd be kind of cool in case something really bad goes wrong. I'm screwed. But if I just go really slow, take my time, and just take small passes at a time, I think we'll be okay. So let me set you guys up, and you guys can watch either amazingness or catastrophe. So I got Bowling Ball Dave behind me supporting me to tell me to go for it, and yeah, so let me set you up and let you guys watch. Okay, we're recording. I'll delete that conversation. Okay, well. Oh. Wow, we're making good progress. I need a vacuum. Bring you back. All right. Well, we're making progress. A little bit of burn, but we'll lower it down and do another pass. I'll let you watch. Or if I can get a different view. I don't know. It's tough.
Oh, God damn.
So I definitely learned a lot in this little project here, but it's interesting what you learn when you try something you've never done before. And I've never done a juice groove. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. See ya.